What's good, YouTube, man? We back with another one, man. Just gotta do a quick run to the Verizon store. I drop off my old phone. Got that new iPhone 15. Had to do the backups and whatnot, but I gotta bring back the old phone within 30 days. It's getting close to that 30 days. I've had it for a while now, so I decided I'll go through in the rain and get it done, because if I don't go today, Sunday might be slow for that. So we're trying to get that done. Not too far, maybe about 15 minutes. Hopefully there's no traffic. I didn't even check what traffic looked like. Oh, it looks clear on that side at least. Damn, the way coming back, like it's busy though. Hopefully it's cleared up. Guess it's be like a little rain POV. Yeah. If y'all don't mind, hit me with a like, you know, a comment, you know, let me know what y'all think. I seen got a couple comments on that first video. One dude said clean the car, man. This is the type of weather we've been getting, man. Like, I don't like going to the car wash, spending like mad time there, and then the car just get dirty in 30 minutes again. Know what y'all think about the video, man. Leave a comment, man. Leave a like. Talk to me. Yeah, enjoy the ride. Yikes. I don't know how I'm gonna get back home. Guess we'll enjoy. Truck though. I don't know about y'all, but the rain is nice, but people just be driving funny, man. Like you're not keeping speed, bro. Like in the rain, like it's like, why drive funny just because it's a little wet? Like you got a whole truck. Oh my God. Yeah. It's one thing I missed about the South, like. They know how to drive in the rain. up. I ain't worried. I'll take these turns sharp. Let me know if y'all got that new iPhone on. What y'all think about it, man? Ever since I got the new iPhone, my service been acting funny. Thought it was supposed to be better. Phone been freezing up, like, just been acting funny. I know it's the first ones. Y'all like, oh, don't get the first ones, don't get that. But shit, this is what I was messing with, son. Like, look at my old phone. Like, bruh, I had the XS Max. You know how old this John is? Messing with this for a minute now. It was about time I changed up. Definitely about time I changed up. Needed the new one. Oh, I thought he was going to that right lane. 5-0 right there. 12. I'm trying to do a little bit of a longer video. I guess, you know, more content, I guess. Sometimes when I be driving, I be like, damn, I wish I had the camera going. And I thought he was gonna pull him, take it out red, but nope. Sometimes I be like, I wish I had the camera rolling. Typical gap coming by way of your public servant over there. RAV4. Yeah, that's a white RAV4. Oh shit, I need to get over. Right here is where I need to be. That's crazy. Alright, we about here. I'm gonna check in with y'all when I get back in the whip. Peace. What's good, YouTube, man? So we left the Verizon store. We are on the way back home now. About 10 minutes from home. I started recording and I realized it was all angled bad. So I got like 8 minutes of just a bad angle. So I restarted it on the way back home. With at least 10 minutes left to go. So at least with the first part and this, whatever I give you in this, will give you at least a 10-minute. I gotta say it has to be at least 10 minutes. No way it's not 10 minutes. But if y'all can see here, it's coming together. They building a Topgolf by the crib and they about to open. Seems like they might be doing inspections and stuff, but this joint looking nice. They got a turf and everything out there. It's coming together though. I haven't been here for a minute and seeing it now is actually pretty cool. Why is there so much cars out there though? Are they open? They can't be open. I ain't see nobody hitting nothing. Nah, this is definitely coming too though. I feel like Topgolf had some bread because this wasn't here before. Once Topgolf came through, they started building this. And like, that's actually pretty crazy. But shit. Definitely open here up. We're not too far from the crib now, 7 minutes or so. Hop on this back road. Wanted to avoid the freeway. There's mad traffic on the highway. I said that in the first take. There's mad traffic on the highway, so I avoided the freeways on the way back. And we taking a little bit of the back roads. Nice rainy day, you know. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about this video, man. I appreciate the views on the last one, man. 10 likes, very appreciative. I appreciate you all taking the time out to watch. GLE 4matic posted up. Pretty nice houses out here, but there ain't no service on this road. I don't know how they live here. Minivan for sale. Ooh wee. Y'all seen that? That's the Amazon driver. That's crazy. Thinking he on the back road, you could just speed off, man. This where you gotta be the most careful. People to pop out. Big brakes though. We got the Brembos on here. We got the premium package with the WRX 2020. So comes with the Brembo sport brakes. These are STI instead of saying that same brakes as the STI. The STI brakes should say STI on them, but they're Brembos. So these are the same, you know, brakes that the STI has. It's just mine actually are red and they say Brembo, so I kind of like that too. You know, it seems like it's a custom factor, like I, you know, actually put something into it, but shit, this shit all stock. Came like this out the factory, so not complaining. Hey man, I like this road though. It's nice and isolated, you know. Only seen 2 whips, 3 cars so far, plus the one behind me, so 4 cars so far on this road. No traffic though. There go that traffic. See how slow that truck's going? This is the highway that I would have been taking. But I avoided all that. Look how he's driving. This is the exit I would be taking, I think. Yeah, 2A. Alright, well, we about to be at the crib or near the crib. I don't want to show my house or my neighbor's house or my environment because, you know, this might be a popular area with this golf course and all, and I don't want y'all to see where I live or my crib specifically. So peace, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Please hit that like, give me a comment, tell me something. Look at him playing golf. Yeah, man, he barefoot. Yeah, but let me know what y'all think, man. Peace.